Welcome back to our channel. This is Daudu and Esther here again. My name is Esther and where's my D? Yay! Give us That's okay. I don't know why we are hyped. Anyway, guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Daudu and Esther, and yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and like. And today I'm starting a vlog that will take a while to finish, I guess, because it's like different happenings that I'm going to combine together. Yes, I'm starting our wedding preparation vlog. I am excited to actually start getting stuffs that we need, or start fixing the things we need to fix that we haven't done, like that. So we're starting our wedding preparation vlog. So today I actually want to go and get my contact lens, because as you guys know, I use contact lenses in the house, but I don't want to use them anymore because it's been a while I've used them, and I guess, I don't know, it makes my eyes feel somehow when I use them. So I want to go and get new ones today. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. You guys can come with us and enjoy.
Fix your wedding dress.
I'm
not going to tell them that.
Okay, yeah, guys. So after the contact, I need to go and see a, what am I going to call this one? A tailor.
Clothes. Seamstress.
Seamstress.
They call it seamstress.
That one looks like I'm feeling stressed. Maybe seamstress. I seem stressed. Anyway, guys, so my wedding dress has arrived, and D doesn't want to see the dress until the wedding day. I don't know. He said that's the tradition. Me, I don't even know about traditions or whatever. So yeah, when I wore the dress, actually, the dress is so perfect. I sent in my measurements and they made the dress for me. It is really, really beautiful, you guys. I so love the dress. But there's something I just need to adjust in the dress. Like one part of it around the hip side, I feel like is a little bit big, and I want it really fitted. So I am going to take it to the tailor. Seamstress. I am going to take it to the tailor's place to I'm telling you, I don't pull off my teeth. I'm going to take it to the tailor's place. They will help me amend it a little, and it's just like holding half inch at both sides, and then I'm good to go. If I had a sewing machine in the house, I can sew. I would have just done that, but I don't have one here. I'm going to get that really soon because there's some things I need to do. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to take it there. We'll go to the mall. That's it, guys. Come with us and have fun. So guys, off we go. We're going where first? Where? The mall first. Hi guys, so we're actually at the mall, and we have I have dropped off my dress, and they're going to do it, and we'll get it back in a week time. So that's very perfect. My baby's looking all confused. He zipped his pocket and the thing refused to unzip, and his phone is inside. How did you do that, babe? So yeah, we're going out. We're going to get my contact lens now. So yeah, that's it. Sorry to give you guys an update about it. And the other zip part has been moved again.
This zip part?
This one.
This one is good, man.
Jeez. Before you won't be able to open it up again.
There's khaki inside.
And there's khaki inside the other pocket?
No, not the one inside this side.
Okay. The good thing is your phone that was zipped inside, not the khaki. Would have used scissors to tear out your pockets today. So we're out. I can't remember where you parked your car. Okay. I swear if I'm driving, I'm going to be taking picture. Okay. So guys, I'm at the eye clinic and ready to go check out how I'll get my contact lens.
I think they have.
You think they have, right?
Contact.
Where is it?
Under their logo.
Oh, I can't read. I don't read Japanese. I'm sorry. Let me go in from here.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? これ持ってきてください。
はい。
で、この日10日の1時。で、コンタクトがこの金額だからこのお値段。
Okay.
で、処方箋とか目見てもらう方がこっち。
Okay.
OK。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
はい、でこれ一緒に渡しておきますね。
はい。So guys, we are done.
Yeah.
So apparently I couldn't get it today. I knew I wasn't going to get it today anyway, so I'm going to come back next
you have
week.
to see the doctor first.
Yeah, for prescription.
Before they can read, they won't just give it to you like that.
When I got my contact when I was in Nigeria, I just gave money to my friend and just told her, this thing, get me contact. And I used that contact for like a year plus. Now the doctor is telling me that I can't use colored contacts for what did she say? I can't use colored contacts for 1 year.
1 year.
I can only use it for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So I'm not like, how? I've been using colored contacts for years.
Because it's Nigeria, that's
I just get any color and I use it for a year plus. I don't even change it safe. But this one, they said I can only use colored for 2 weeks and I can use clear contacts for a year plus. So, yeah, that's it. Was zooming off. Yeah. So, yeah, it was nice. Didi, can I ask you for one favor?
Well,
Look at the camera so that you answer me. Can I ask you for one favor?
no favor.
Let's go to Starbucks. I want to get Starbucks.
Let's go home, Joe.
Baby!
There's a reason why I'm saying we should go home. Now,
Why?
it's almost time to eat dinner. Now, when it's time to eat dinner now, let's eat. She'll tell you, I am full. So she will end up eating nothing for dinner. Yes or no? Yesterday we went to McDonald's. Did you eat dinner?
Yesterday and today is a different day.
Did you eat dinner last night?
I didn't eat dinner because I was full.
Why were you full?
Okay, because I was full now.
Why?
Maybe this is 1:16. This is not close to dinner time. If you just get Starbucks, I'll be fine. I'll pee and shit before dinner.
Yo.
Okay, guys. Later. See you guys. Cutie. Fine word. It's the best. Thank you
What?
for agreeing to buy it now. Thanks. I'll eat dinner, I promise you.
No, you will eat. I know you will eat, but
But
the
I don't
size
eat
you will
much.
eat is what is the problem.
I'll eat much. I'll try.
Okay. Guys, I'll remind you.
I promise you, okay?
Better don't promise what you won't fulfill. So.
I'll try my best. This is just 1:31. So, yeah. Before 4 or 5 when we're eating dinner, I should be better. I should be hungry by then. So don't worry, I'll eat. Okay? Okay, baby? Take. You're giving me, I say give me 5, you're giving me this. Oh yeah, I'll move forward. Oh my god, though.
Okay. Hi. Do they accept points card?
I don't know. Ask them, maybe they do.
Nope.
No, okay. They don't have Rakuten.
Huh? Hi. YouTube. Hi. Hi.
She's asking what am I feeling.
Oh, yeah, they are meeting you. Hi.
Arigatou gozaimasu. See you. Oh my god. What YouTube make somebody do? Thanks, babe.
Mine house, bro.
So guys, we're home now, and yeah, we're going to continue this vlog. I'm going to continue this vlog later, next time when we go about our preparations. And yeah, I'm still taking my the road smile. I didn't even say it before. I'm still taking my drink. Yeah, so see you guys later.
1 week later.
Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to the vlog. I think it's been like a week since I last filmed the previous vlog. I'm going to be adding to this one about the wedding preparation, where I was going to get my contact lens and all that. So yeah, we're going back to the clinic today to have my eye tested, and then for me to get the contact lens like I said in the previously. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I don't feel so well. I don't know if it's so obvious on my face. I've been having like stomach pain since I woke up this morning, having cramps, and it's been really crazy. If not because we already booked an appointment, I would have just stayed at home, just lie down and put my tummy down, because the way I'm feeling right now, I don't feel so good. But hopefully maybe when we go out, I would like lighten up a little bit and feel much better. But now I'm just managing myself. So yeah guys, we're going to the eye clinic to get my contact lens ready. I'm excited. We're getting closer and closer and closer. So yeah, just get the contact lens today. I guess that's what we're going to be doing today. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And yeah, I'm going to be ending the vlog with that. I guess I'll be doing some other stuff, but it wouldn't be in this vlog, so I'll add it up to the next video I'll be uploading. So yeah guys, come with us today and let's go together. Please don't mind my look, don't mind how I'm looking. Jeez, I just don't know how to pretend that I'm feeling cool even when I'm not feeling cool. So yeah, I just hope that like as we go out I'll feel much better along the line. So yeah, that's it guys. This is getting ready now, so he's not here with me. I'm waiting for him. Our appointment is for 1 and we're almost late. Trust me. But I hope we just catch up and just get it done once and for all, because I really need it. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Getting to the eye clinic and I'm waiting to get my test done. Yeah. It's 2, right? Yeah. I can't even see anything. I'm currently wearing the contacts now, but yeah, it looks exactly like my eyes.
Let me see that.
Can you see it?
Wow.
It's plain.
Super clear.
Yeah.
I see very well.
Yeah, I can. Just like my glasses.
Are you sure? What's the... Oh,
I'm just surprised, like, when I want to take it off.
How will you take it off?
Yeah, because I can't really see it.
I can see it.
Oh, really? You can see it?
I can actually see the boundary and the contact. Yeah, you can see it if you look close. If you look closely, okay. Because it's just exactly like my eye color. Let me show you. These are your glasses, right? Yeah. Please give me this bag and put my ones on.
So you can see it.
Sure. Let me spot the light for you.
What do you want to do? You want to take a picture?
Because it's scary.
Oops.
Is it itching you?
No, it's not itchy. I'm not feeling like water dripping from my eyes or something.
You're feeling water dripping?
No, it's not. Do you want to get for yourself?
Yeah. So what exactly will I tell you my predicament?
You don't have any.
Oh. So there's no need.
Apologies. I don't like glasses. I don't even like eye-ish generally. I didn't come on my glasses case, so they gave me this to just put it in. At the meantime, they gave it to me actually though.
To take it?
But this is so light for glasses. It's just going to break. Whoa. Hi guys, so I am done. Jeez, my face looks so oily. Hi guys, so we're done for the day, and we're going to be getting the contact. Babe, when are we getting it?
On 15th.
Like how long from now? A week from now,
Yeah,
right?
a week from now, basically.
Yeah, so we're going to be getting it a week from now, and he's just going to get it from me.
Less than a week, actually.
Less than a week, right?
Yeah.
So you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till this extent, and let's close the video together. That reminds me, because it looks like I've been the only one opening and closing. Yeah, so you guys, thank you so much for watching. I feel much better. I'm not feeling so much pain again in my stomach. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and say something.
Yeah, that's my face.
You're not saying anything before you wear glass like somebody that I don't know. Maybe it's you that will go and get contacts for the next time.
I mean, never. I see.
I'm serious.
I see the future.
With what?
With these eyes, it's just are coming.
Yeah. Jeez, you see your hand? You're doing a bit sandpaper. You're rubbing like that. Jesus.
That's what a soft skin should sound like.
I mean, that's what hard skin is sounding like.
No, hard skin will sound shaka shaka shaka.
That's how your skin is sounding.
It's not sound
shaka,
like my
shaka.
skin is sounding
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.